How a householder can serve his guru best?
How?
Householder should serve his guru best to achieve the best good results.
Not question of householder that is posing or a sannyasi. A householder may be a better servant than a sannyasi. Only how much he is prepared to sacrifice for this Lord. We have seen when we are in the first Gandhi movement that so many grihastha like C.R. Das, he risked everything, but so many volunteers ran away and chased by the police. But as grihastha, he did not shrink back an inch. His sister, his wife, his only son, all arrested. He is unaffected. As grihastha, the whole money is going away, does not care for that. He was grihastha. But many volunteers that left everything, all connection, and to give them for the service of the country. They could not stand the frowning of the police that time, we saw. So there, in Ramanuja Sampradaya, there is a story that there was one grihastha devotee, Dhanur Das, and there are so many sannyasi disciples of Ramanuja. Ramanuja had special affection towards Dhanur Das. The sannyasis could not tolerate that. So one day Ramanuj made some arrangement to show that why he had got such special attraction for Dhanur Das, though he is a grihastha. When the sannyasis went to take their bath, by his instruction, some of his disciples, they interchanged the position of their dress, position of their dress. So after taking bath from Kaveri, the sannyasis coming, where is my dress? Who has put it here? I don't find I put my dress here. Who have taken it there? In this way, you have taken in this way. Such a quarrel came into existence that Ramanuja had to come out. What is the matter? You are all sannyasis. Only displacement of your dress from here to there has created you so much pain. And you were all sannyasis. Anyhow, that was stopped. Then he managed, he called for Dhanur Das. He came and sent one of his most confidential disciples, go and take away the ornaments from the body of Dhanur Das's wife. He went, and she was lying on the bed. Dhanur Das was called to Ramanuja. He was sitting there, and he was very stealthily taking away one by one the what ornaments she had. And then when she turned her side, he came away, fled away. And that was represented to Ramanuja, such things have happened. Then Dhanur Das was let off. He went to his house. Then his wife told, is there any dearth of money in the mart? Why do you say so? No. That Prabhu, he came, and as you have not come, the door was not shut from inside. He entered and he took off one by one the ornaments, whatever in my body. So perhaps there must be some want of money there. But then what did you do? Then I turned from right side to left side and he fled. That he thought that why did you do so? Why did you not allow to take the ornaments of the other side? Yes, only for that. When one side taken off, to give him the chance to take from another side, I also turned the body. So then it is all right. But then Ramanuja presented. Such is the case with Dhanurdas and his wife. And they are Grihastha. And because I have much affection for them, you sannyasis, you are very jealous of that. Something offering. It is a position only, but the heart within, and as much as one can offer it to the Supreme, is big. In Mahaprabhu's time, so many grihastha, many of the parts of the bhakta, they are all the grihastha. But they are not less important devotees. The question of heart, inner posing, not outer stands.